Hey there, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into workguru.io. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged in no time. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's tap in there. And at the very top, you can see a search bar. Let's type there workguru.io logins is we're going to log in and hit enter. Now make sure you tap into the login site, and of course more than that, it's very important that you tap into the official site, which is this one right here. And there you go, you'll be greeted with the login page. All you gotta do is fill in those empty fields. Let's type in our email, or it could be a username as well that is associated with your account, and your password. Now if you want this page to remember you, if you want this page to keep it signed in, you can tap in this little square box. It will be marked, but let's not do that for now. Let's you click that. If you've forgotten your password, you can tap in that option that's if you forgot your password. Okay, there's another option as well. You can sign in with 0 also. And since we have already typed in our credentials, all we gotta do now is tap in that login button and you'll be logged into your workguru.io account. That's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.